Hi friends, welcome to week 7 of INST 640. It's time for us to kind of shift gears again as we move into the second half of our class. This week, we're really going to be looking at some different models of PD, and you're going to really start thinking about the professional development plan, which is the next step for the needs analysis. Basically, you'll convert the needs analysis into a year-long professional development plan. You will be conducting, and I say conducting in commas because we're not going to be conducting because you don't have access to your colleagues. And you'll also be looking at informal professional development. You should also be finishing up your feedback poster. So this week, week 7, we've got feedback poster feedback. Post early. This assignment is due at the end of week 7. So if you post it by Wednesday, you can get feedback by Saturday. You can revise and resubmit it and submit it by the deadline, which is Tuesday, the end of week 7. Make sure you're giving feedback to 3 people and also apply what you know about feedback. Good job is not really good feedback. You know that feedback needs to be explicit. Maybe you can provide some resources. So let's look ahead. As I said earlier, you'll submit the feedback poster at the end of week 7. So the Tuesday night or the Wednesday morning as soon as possible. Wednesday morning of week 8, I will begin looking at it. You'll be working on the year-long professional development plan. That's due in week 10. You should start that this week so you can get some feedback on it. Because we don't have access to our colleagues, you're not going to actually be conducting professional development. I'm going to pair you up, or you can find a partner yourself, and you'll be doing a little mini mock PD session and also just kind of talking through your professional development session plan with your partner. You might do a little mini lesson, you might say, and then I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to do that. It's really an opportunity to kind of think out loud, work together, look ahead, what might be a challenge, what might work, and then you'll submit a report or a description of everything that you did and how you think that PD would work. Normally what we do is I'd actually have you conduct professional development with your colleagues at your school site. Can't do that because it's summer. Finally, you'll be engaging in professional development of your own. Informal professional development. That means something that you seek out, perhaps a MOOC, perhaps join a webinar. Maybe some of you are actually at the INST conference right now. It's really PD that is about technology, teaching and learning, and it's not something that's required of you. You can join a Twitter chat. There's many options. What I'm going to be looking for is that you are seeking PD that is interesting to you. That's it for this week. I appreciate your flexibility. You'll notice that the rubrics for some of the assignments are going to be a little off because of our summer planning, but don't worry about it. Just make sure you're following the directions and it'll all be okay. Reach out if you have any questions at all, and keep up the great work. I can't believe that we're past halfway of our class.